In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block a website on Microsoft Edge, step by step. If you've ever tried looking for a block site setting in Edge, you probably noticed that nothing shows up. That's because Microsoft Edge doesn't include a built-in feature for blocking websites directly. But don't worry, I've got a super easy solution for you that'll have you blocking sites in no time. Let's jump right in. The first step in this process is to install a free extension known as Block Site. This extension provides a straightforward way to put blocks in place on sites you want to avoid. To get started, open up your Microsoft Edge browser. Once you have Edge up and running, make your way to the search bar. Here, you'll want to type in Block Site Extension for Microsoft Edge and hit the Enter key. Now let's move to the next part. When you see the search results, look for the first option that appears. This should lead you directly to the official Edge add-ons page where the Block Site extension is available. You'll want to click on this option. The page you'll be taken to is user-friendly and provides all the necessary information about the extension. But for now, let's focus on getting it installed. As soon as you're on the extension page, you'll notice an option that says Add to Chrome or Add Extension. Go ahead and click it. A pop-up will likely appear asking you to confirm the addition of the extension to your browser. Simply click on Add Extension. It's important to note that it might take a little time to fully install the extension, so don't worry if there's a slight delay. Once the installation is complete, you're almost ready to start blocking those unwanted websites. You'll see that a license agreement or similar pop-up appears on your screen. Click on I accept to finalize the process. This step ensures that the Block Site extension is now ready to use in your Microsoft Edge browser, and there you have it. You can now manage which sites you can't access by simply using this extension. Blocking a website has never been easier, right within your Edge browsing experience. Feel free to explore the additional settings and features the extension offers to customize your web blocking preferences further. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more handy tips and tricks like this one. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.